And we'll use number 6.
Who goes first?
I will this time.
Alright. My turn.
You hit it.
I know, I saw the smoke fly. Here, hold this.
What is that?
While we get this. Why don't we show the folks how we get this shot? What?
Just needs cleaned.
We're warmed up.
It's cleaned.
We should show. Think we should put that on YouTube?
What?
I'm shooting this shit.
Yeah.
Alright. I can put it on YouTube with that thing right there. Right. Give me a shell.
Skeet shell. Well, that little thing ain't gonna do nothing.
Hey, now you record me. Watch.
Yeah, don't sling it up, because that gun's old. Damn, dude, you smoked it. Alright, I'm gonna try my 12 gauge. I got a heavy shell. What's that mean?
It means it has a heavy load. Hey, give me a shell. We got here.
Skeet.
Double A skeet.
You got a trap shell.
Let me try it.
Nah, go ahead.
Alright.
You ain't doing shit to it, is it? You know why? It's bird shot.
I'm hitting it at least.
My turn. With a Winchester AA plus 3 and 1/8, 7.5 shot trap shot. Don't like them trap shot shells.
Is that what I got on yesterday?
Yep.
Well, you should let me shot it.
Ready?
Yeah. Got any more? I'd like to see what all this shooting does to a brick. Probably nothing, but it sure is fun.
Holy cow.
What is it?
Ain't doing anything, is it?
Putting holes in it.
And we just leave them separate. Too bad we didn't have a slug.
I bet we could have tore through it.